Looking back on your Wednesday, yesterday it was 29 degrees for your high, 10 for your low, so slightly below average by 5 for the high, 3 for the low, nowhere near the record of 64 or -8. The good news though, we're already almost approaching 12 hours of daylight. We're only 3 minutes away from 12 hours. Looking at those highs for today though, we began to warm up now that the winds are beginning to shift a little bit more out of the south. 37 in Marquette, 38 in Munising, 44 in Iron Mountain, and some areas are already seeing about a good 5 degrees above normal. That's excellent news after seeing temperatures well below normal for this time of the year earlier this week. Looking at those winds, mostly coming out of a westerly direction. Some areas though still hanging on to a little bit of that northwest clip already. 7 in Munising, 6 in Escanaba, but as you can see though, very light winds all throughout the central and western UP between 5 to 10 miles per hour, already out of the south in Ironwood at 6, and that's going to allow for more warmer air to come into the area. Now going into your Friday though, we are going to be dealing with a tricky weather pattern. We are going to be seeing a lot of mixing precipitation throughout the day. We're going to start off with snow later on tonight, eventually changing over to freezing rain briefly, then some rain, and then kind of going backwards throughout your Friday night and into your Saturday morning before it finally tapers off. Accumulations could reach 1 to 4 inches throughout the area. The good news though, the weather will begin to improve late in the day on Saturday. We'll have a lot more sunshine coming in on Sunday and Monday. Still have an isolated chance of a rain shower though on Sunday night, going to your early Monday as a cold front begins to slide through, and that's really going to knock those numbers down by the time we get towards your Tuesday, and you'll notice that in our 7-day forecast. Now going into your Friday a little more closely, we will be dealing with that wintry mix through a good portion of the Great Lakes all the way down into parts of West Virginia. Throughout the UP and parts of Minnesota, we're still dealing with the mix, but we will have the best chance of some snow compared to rain further towards the south. Overall, it's going to be pure rain in parts of the Ohio Valley. Now, going into the next couple of days, we are going to be dealing with the mixed precipitation throughout Friday and Saturday. So really make sure to slow down on those roads throughout the UP. Make sure to give yourself extra time if you are going to be celebrating St. Patrick's Day tomorrow. Going into your Sunday, though, we will have a mixture of sun and clouds. Temperatures are going to rise into those 40s for both Sunday and Monday before temperatures plummet about a good 15 to 20 degrees on Tuesday. Now going into tonight though, those snow showers will begin to arrive throughout the western UP after midnight. Accumulations could be 1 to 2 inches before sunrise, especially in the western tip of the UP. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Eventually, as we go into the morning and into the afternoon, eventually everyone throughout the entire region will be in the mix of this rain-snow mix. Temperatures are going to hover around 40 degrees, 39 in Crystal Falls, 41 in Ontonagon, 38 in Houghton, 36 in Escanaba. So we're finally going to see another day of above average temperatures, and just make sure to just take it easy on this holiday. Going into tomorrow, a little more closer, sunrise at 7:59 a.m. but temperatures are not going to move too much, and that's really going to cause a headache on what precipitation type it will be through a good portion of your Friday. So as of right now, it's just going to be a mix. Just note that it's going to be slippery on those roads, and going into the next 7 days, we really begin to increase the sunshine on Sunday. Just watch out for a couple of isolated rain showers on late Sunday night going into early Monday, and then isolated snow showers possible on your late Monday night going into early Tuesday. But as you can see, temperatures really drop off at a good 20 degrees from Sunday to Tuesday, and then we slowly begin to climb back up. The good news though, sunshine will be here for a good portion of next week.